Good evening, welcome to Friday's programme with me, Sarah Teal. First tonight, the chronic shortage of lorry drivers. It's estimated there are 100,000 vacancies, leading to delays in vital deliveries and leaving some supermarket shelves empty. Industry leaders are now branding the situation critical, and it's driven one haulage company in Leicestershire to take drastic action, as Amy Payne reports.
Trucks like these keep the country moving, but right now many are parked up and going nowhere. Haulage firms like this Leicestershire Logistics company just can't find enough drivers.
It's worrying. I mean, the vehicles are sitting there because we haven't got the drivers, and there's simply a large number of drivers that went back to Europe just during Brexit. We've had COVID, which has caused us severe problems with the lack of training that's available, and that's just a few of the things, really.
It's estimated the country is short of 100,000 drivers. Industry leaders warn the situation is critical and the impact is being felt.
Well, we're seeing an impact right across the board, from manufacturing, factories, farming, and of course supermarkets, which is probably the one thing that most people notice the most. There are quite large gaps on shelves because perhaps where they used to have 2 or 3 lorry loads a day, now they're only getting 1, and obviously that means things do run out more quickly.
And so Translink is taking action. Kev is the latest employee here to benefit from free training courses to help tackle the chronic shortage of HGV drivers.
I've grown up in the transport industry all my life, and obviously companies helping individuals, because obviously it's a costly thing to get into, but it's a good thing to help the country out really and help companies like this grow and carry on delivering to people.
But many in the industry want government help and a gear change in how the job is perceived.
If you look at the long-term solutions about attracting, training and retaining, we have got programmes in place that we will put in place with the industry and with the government support. That doesn't help today. What I really want to see is some sort of temporary visa scheme in place, like for seasonal picking in food production, so that we can attract and bring drivers back in from mainland Europe to fill this gap.
But the government isn't keen, insisting the future workforce should be made up of UK residents. For now, drivers are allowed to spend slightly longer on the road, and there are plans to increase testing. But as drivers take time off in summer holiday season, there's concern the situation will get worse before it gets better. Amy Payne, BBC Midlands Today, Leicester.